Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the Rx value, the number that lets you identify a substance from a chromatogram. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to measure and calculate it. The Rx value equals the distance moved by the spot divided by the distance moved by the solvent front. It's always between 0 and 1. Measured from the start line, not the bottom of the paper. So for a given substance with the same solvent and paper, the Rx value is reproducible, and that's how we identify things. 3 things. 1. Rx is a ratio, it has no units. 2. It's always less than 1 because the spot never goes further than the solvent. 3. Same substance, same solvent, same paper will give same Rx, and that's the identification basis. Common slip, measuring from the bottom of the paper instead of the start line. Both distances, to the spot and to the solvent front, are measured from the start line. If you forget that, the ratio comes out wrong. Quick example, spot moved 4.2 centimeters. Solvent moved 7.0 centimeters. Rx equals 4.2 divided by 7.0 equals 0.60. Look up your reference table, find the substance with Rx 0.60 in that solvent. That's likely a match. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks in maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.